Okay, in this video tutorial today is to show you how easy it is to download a software and to run it. This software requires no installation. All you have to do is go directly to our site, download the software, find it in your download folder, drag it to the desktop, and launch the application. It requires no installation. So here we go. We're going to start. First thing you want to do is go to our website, MODVO.com. Click enter. Okay, once you're there at our website, next thing you want to do is click on software right here at the top menu. Click software. Then once you are on our software page, you want to scroll down on the page until you get to software details and download. This is where you're going to download the software application. So before you download it, you have to check the box that says you agree to the end user's license agreement and privacy policy. So you just check that and click download, and the download will begin. Then it asks you have chosen to open this. Click save file. And once you have saved it, it will begin to download to your download folder of your software, depending on what version of Windows you are running. As you can see, it just takes a few seconds for it to download. And so depending on what version of Windows you are using, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows 10, in Windows 7, the downloaded software would be in your download folder. And if you are using Firefox, you will click on this download icon button right here. And then what you want to do is click on this this little folder icon, and this will allow you to open up the folder where the software that you just downloaded is located. And there it is, the MODVO app. So now what you want to do is just minimize your browser window. Now you just want to left click on this icon, and then you just want to drag it to your desktop, and that's it. And we're going to minimize this window. Okay, so that's it. Now all you have to do to launch this program is just double click on it. There's no installation involved. It would just automatically run, which is really great. So this is what we're going to do. Put it over here and double click. And if this is your first time actually launching a software application, your virus software or security software will ask you, do you want to open this file? Because it says the publisher could not be verified. So if you know who the software is from, you click run the application. So it's our software application, and you just click run.